try to improvise a song. Just simply play something, sing something, and record it, and then maybe wait some time and listen to it. When it starts to feel foolish, then just continue, because there is absolutely nothing foolish about just doing. It's something that we did as kids, and that really made us happy just to do. And then when we grow up, we learn that when we do something, we really need to do it well. Because if we don't do it well, then we are bad and people will laugh about us. But that's not true. If there isn't any lyrics that comes to you, then just sing about that nothing comes to you. Okay, so this is my take of just improvising a song. So I will start with to play something. I'm using a Spitfire Audio's soft piano, which is free. Singing a song about something I don't know about. I'm singing a song to prove that you are wrong. I'm singing a song to show who I am. I'm making up these words on the spot. Who are you? Where do you come from? Who are you? Where do you come from? I don't believe that you are anything but special. I don't believe that you can't be kind. I wonder if this is gonna happen again. But then again, everything happens multiple times. I wonder if anything of this would be better without. Who are you? Where do you come from? I don't know your name. Who are you? Where do you come from? I don't know your name, but it's okay, it's okay. And now I feel like ending, but I will just try to elaborate, like continue. don't be afraid of do too much, like in terms of just play. Like this was gold, I think. And now I've forgotten the melodies, so I don't seem to be in mirrors anymore. I'm stuck in a world that don't seem to care anymore. It's all about nothing, about nothing. We fight about nothing, about nothing. You only scratch the surface of something that's real. We only get to touch where we want to go. But in a few moments I can escape to a world that actually cares. Just for a few moments I can dream myself away. But I don't want to dream, I want this to be real. No, I don't want to dream, I want this to be real. And if I wasn't filming a YouTube video now, then I would continue for maybe half an hour or an hour. And maybe make some other chords just to see what would happen. Remember that no one is watching you. So if there is something that you really wanted to do that you didn't do, then just go back and redo it. But of course, if you do it all the time, then be careful about not destroying your flow, because it's really nice to have it like a flow. With or without a metronome? Well, if you don't use a metronome regularly, then do it without, at least to begin with, because it can be very stressful, and this shouldn't be a stressful experience. So try to start without, and then when you get a bit more experienced, then turn on the metronome. Because recording this with a metronome means that when you listen to it in maybe a week, then you could actually go and rearrange it and try to make a song out of it. Simply by moving around the different pieces, and then in the end make what is missing or recreate what you didn't like. This isn't a fast method to making songs, but this is another approach. And an approach which I really, really love, and just sitting playing this is such an incredible feeling, I think. Don't be afraid of repeating yourself, because it's all of these tiny details that will make your song incredibly. It's like when we are drawing songs and thinking out songs, it's impossible to think all of these small things that only happens when we play. So repeat the same song, and then maybe something magical will happen. And even though you think that you're repeating it like very precisely, you're not. I always forget something, and it's a good thing, because when I think that I remember the melody, the first melody, and I do something else, it's actually because I do it in a way that I like even more often. And if I don't, then I can just, when I'm listening to it back again, I can just keep the old one. But please do me a favor, sit down and try to do it. Even though how silly, foolish, stupid, or whatever it feels like. Just do it, and then when it feels like, no, this is not great, continue. Because there is no reason to why it shouldn't feel great, and why it doesn't feel great is maybe just because you are judging too much. And when you're judging and telling yourself that this is not good, then just tell yourself, hey, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Please let me be alone and let me play. And maybe set a timer. Set a timer for half an hour and just play around while playing and singing for half an hour, and recording, of course. And then every time you feel like quitting, then feel why. Because, to be honest, when I feel like quitting, it's because I'm afraid that I'm gonna suck, I'm gonna do something terrible. And then by just continuing, I'm simply telling myself, hey, you can do it. Because of course I can do it. Start with just using 2 chords. Don't try to make it more complex than it needs to be. And seriously, you can make the most fantastic songs only using 2 different chords. So like, make it easy for yourself. But if you'd like me, like to play around and try different tonalities and scales and whatever it is I do, then do that. But it should be easy and fun. Doing this should be a reminder of how wonderful it is to make music. One thing that you can try out is to play the notes that you sing. So for example, you don't know the truth. The truth is that I don't like you. So try to play along with what you sing. If you don't play an instrument, then sit down and learn how to play chords on the piano, because it's so incredibly simple. Simply just put a finger, one more finger and a third finger, and then you can move this around. And then when you get a bit more advanced, which means like after maybe 10 minutes, then the middle finger you move up 1 octave. And then it just sounds great. And then by moving these chords around, make a song with these chords. Music is easy. It's like, I can only play the white keys, but that's okay, because music is about doing and reacting to what you hear. Sometimes I get surprised about how wonderful it is to sit and play the piano. Think that all people can do this. It's about playing something that comes from our mind or our heart, I don't know. But I'm only playing the white keys to demonstrate that we all can play. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up button and consider to subscribe to my channel. It would truly make me happy if you do so. Enjoy.